The Salesian province of Shillong announced with deep sorrow the passing of Reverend Brother Nello Valeri SDB, who died on 4th December 2025 at 9 a.m. at Don Bosco Technical School, Shillong. He was 87 years old. Born on 8th November 1938, Brother Valeri made his first profession on 16th August 1955 and professed perpetually on 20th May 1961. In 1959, he came to India, where he generously dedicated his entire religious life to the service of young people. For decades, he worked tirelessly at Don Bosco Technical School, Shillong, holding several key responsibilities and earning the admiration and affection of students, confreres, and the wider community. The Salesian Provincial Father John Zosiama SDB expressed profound grief at the loss of the beloved confrere. Brother Nello has been seriously sick since early November. Today, the Lord has called him home. Let us pray for the eternal repose of his soul, he said in an official statement released by the province. The mortal remains of Brother Valeri will be kept at Don Bosco Technical School, Shillong for public homage. A con-celebrated Requiem Mass will be held on 4th December 2025 at 6 p.m. at the same venue. The funeral Mass is scheduled for 5th December 2025 at 1:30 p.m., followed by a funeral cortege to the Catholic Cemetery, Ladumkra. All priests, religious, friends, former students, and the faithful are invited to participate in the funeral services and pray for the repose of his soul.